Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much, and I've been wanting to come back and come at you guys with a really cool video, so I'm super excited to be filming this today because I have a lot to talk about. So I'm just gonna get started with the video. I'm gonna talk all about radio frequency and what I got done on myself and just all about it. So basically, kind of gonna rewind a little bit. I have gained about 10 pounds in the past year. It's no surprise. I've always fluctuated with my weights, so I gain and I lose pretty quickly. But I think as I get older, it's a little bit harder for me to lose the weight. So whenever I gain weight, it shows in my face. I mean, I've kind of always had a chubbier face, and that's just always been the case since I was younger. I have really chubby cheeks, and when I gain weight, it always shows in my face. So I definitely noticed that I had a little double chin action going on, and I really noticed it, especially in like the last couple videos that I've done. I see a little double chin and it irks me so much, and I've been looking into doing Kybella, but as you guys may know, Kybella costs anywhere from like $700 to $800 to get that done here. And there's a lot of downtime to it. I mean, honestly speaking, I think the downtime is probably you're looking at a month, because you do get swollen after you get it done. And I think minimum you would have to take off like a week from work. I mean, you don't necessarily have to, but it's very obvious that you got something done because all of this gets super swollen. So you probably don't want to go to work that way. But anyways, the money and the time is the reason why I haven't done it. And I wanted to also do jaw filler, which was the other option, but I just feel like it would look really awesome, but I kind of feel like Kybella permanently gets rid of it. So I don't know, I just always had this constant battle between which one should I get. Jaw filler is also very expensive. So I've just been trying to do a lot of research, and I had no idea what radio frequency was, until my really good friend Crystal, who has her very own beauty lounge, told me about it. It's something that you can actually do to your body as well. So it's something that you could do to your face and your body. Basically what it does is it helps to lift and tighten the skin. It produces collagen, and it just helps with texture, with lines. So it's just like a really awesome treatment to get done on your face. So you're able to do it on your face, you're also able to do it on your neck and on your jawline. And what it does is it basically tightens everything, as well as helps to burn fat cells. I did go and get my stomach area done twice already, but I think I'll save all that for another video. But the really cool thing about this treatment is that there's absolutely no downtime. It's non-invasive. It's painless. Basically what she does is it's a handheld device, and it heats up. And then she applies like a gel on the skin, and that helps the machine to glide. And she'll just kind of, do that all in circular motions all over the face. She'll also hit the jawline, the neck area. And you could do the treatment for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now, for your very first time, you probably want to do 15, and then maybe your second time do 30, and so on and so forth, because if you're sensitive and if you're really light, you're going to turn really red. And I did turn a little bit red, but not that much. But I do think I have a pretty high pain tolerance. I've gotten microneedling done. I've done chemical peels. So I've done harsh treatments on my skin. So for me, sensitivity is not really a big thing. So I was able to do the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes without really getting red at all. So, and even if you were to get red, you can wear makeup. It's not like something where, you can't put anything on your face. Now, as far as the amount of treatments that you have to do, that kind of all depends on what your goals are and how far you want to go. But it kind of gets to a point where it's just more like maintenance, if anything. So I've gone 2 times. The first time I only did my jawline. The second time we did my whole face. I definitely noticed when she did my face that my cheeks look more slim, more sculpted, more lifted. And then my jawline, I noticed the most. I mean, I feel like I could just see a lot more definition, especially on this side too. Now I do have on some contour, I'm not gonna lie, but even then, like, I had contour in the last video and you could still see the double chin, especially like right here. And I just feel like I just feel more bony, which is like really cool. But yeah, I was really excited to just find something that was, number one, way more inexpensive than Kybella and jaw filler, and number two, showed me results instantly. So I'm really excited to keep on going. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten this treatment done before. Let me know if you guys can notice it or it's just on my head. But I will be inserting some before and after pictures so that you guys can check it out. And then I will also be linking all her information down below. If you guys want to book an appointment with her, definitely hit her up. You can DM her to make an appointment. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down below, or you can ask her as well in her DM. She's really, really sweet, and she's available to help you guys out. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys would like me to continue to film the next sessions, let me know, and I definitely will do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.